What are you guys doing?
Gotta listen to music. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the FIT video, aka the family. We are and today we'll be reviewing the new earbuds of these ears: the Airpods Pro, the infamous Apple success, and Sony's successful rubber.
Earphone?
Two earphones.
Oh my god, guys!
The Airpods Pros, the WF-1000 XM-1. Wait, what? WF-XM. No. It's WF-1000 XM3. Today, both of us will be reviewing, testing how they're more good, talking about their price points.
Reviewing or unboxing?
Just like both, but we'll go into more deeper if you guys like this video. And guys, we're stuck by, I don't know what happened with it fell down to 69.
No.
It falls down to 69. I was like, why, guys? So yeah, guys, please subscribe, touch that notification, and shout out to my classes. Have a great holiday, dudes. And yeah, I mean, it's your holiday, so shout out to my guys.
How long is it?
2 months.
Oh my god!
So more YouTube.
But most of all,
Hey, settle down. Take it easy.
What the scout?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun.
So now let's go into the unboxing. So yeah, this is the new AirPods Pro from Apple. I mean, everything looks properly. AirPods Pros with wireless charging case, different languages, that's all. And this still charges with the lightning cable, which I'm disappointed. But I'm looking forward to their new noise canceling, thing. And
That's noise cancelling.
I know, but I think the new software is going to be much better.
It's not.
No, the new update software. So let's go into the unboxing. Okay, so like Apple, they're smart. They want everything so simple. And look, simple packaging, like no need knives.
ASMR.
So yeah.
Oh.
Okay, I wonder if Apple added the two-hand motion. Did it? Yep.
How does it feel like?
It
Smells like your armpit.
So yeah, guys, this is the real proper time zoom in AirPods Pro review. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Designed by Apple California.
Is it sticker?
I think there is.
There is stickers.
AirPods Pro's manuals.
No.
No
What?
stickers?
This is the first time Apple did it.
Apple!
No stickers! Apple! What are you doing? The iPhone SE had a sticker. Now why are you doing this? Anyways, let's chill.
Let's chill.
This is a Saturday. We're gonna enjoy it, guys.
Chillax.
So all the paperwork is going that way.
It might be important.
So here is the case. Oh, Apple's smart. They're showing that the earbuds are in here and the silicone caps. Not able sure if you see that logo. I think you do see
They
it.
do.
So now let's go into this very cool motion Apple has added to the new packaging.
Whoa.
Oh, that's satisfying. Look
That
at
reminds me like a PowerBeats Pro.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Because Power Beats and Beats Dr. Dre and Apple have collaborated together, as in like
Same company.
Apple bought it. So yeah, I mean, I think Apple has added some things into it, like everything USB-C to Lightning cable. That is very odd. Oh, it charges with a USB Type-C.
Not lightning.
No, I'm shocked, guys. Am I blind? This is
Oh yeah, it's just Type-C.
the simple packaging.
I thought it was a lightning.
There. I mean, am I
It's
blind?
Type-C.
It's Type-C.
It's Type-C.
Am I seeing Apple's Type-C?
I have a question. Why is it people so crazy about USB-C? Is it better?
I mean, oh no, we're connected to the phone. Bro, what did you do? So this is Type-C to Lightning cable. I'm not sure how this is supposed to work. Like, oh,
See?
I charge with Lightning,
Lightning.
and then I get. Oh, never mind.
Oh, come on.
So yeah. Oh wait, Oh, never mind. These are the ear caps. And guess what we have in here? The
Voila.
AirPod. Oh my.
How does it feel like compared
But
to?
we must make sure it does not connect to that thing.
Turn off Bluetooth on that.
No way.
I mean,
okay.
listen to that clip, guys. Ready?
Apple's brand is very strong.
I heard that in Apple you could also carve your name. So
Yeah, you can.
carving your name would be nice too. I mean, I think Apple has really done a good job on the $230, thing.
No.
And yeah,
No, compared to.
and so here, I've got the first gen AirPods Pro, okay? Guys,
How do you feel? What's the difference?
I mean,
with,
listen to these guys. This is the AirPod Pro AirPod Generation 1. Generation 2.
It's not. It's like a hollow
quieter.
sound. Like,
I mean,
I like the first one.
I can't say it, but they look nice. Like,
Can you compare the design?
I mean, okay. I mean, I heard people say they look like hair dryers dangling. I mean, obviously, this is more thicker. This is more like nothing on it because they don't have silicone caps. I think Apple has really done a good job on their second way of doing their AirPods. And look at the shape of them. Compare this to that.
Bro,
And believe it or not, these AirPods are going to my mom. Just click that and sing some. So yeah, I mean, Apple putting $250 on this, I think it's worth it.
Me too.
I think every Apple user, my dad, Apple fanboy, is gonna be
Mommy?
so happy. I mean, as I'm like a nerd Apple boy, I'm happy what Apple has done on $250, but I think that brands like Sony are doing much better in their pricing. So now, let's move into the unboxing by my brother.
okay, so we've got the Sony right here.
Noise cancelling.
Let's go into unboxing. Unlike my brother, I'm unboxing it way better.
It's an open pouch. You open it like that. I think it's from the bottom. Yeah, some come. This side.
What?
Wait.
Inside.
Oh, side.
Oh.
Whoa. Wait, close
Wait,
it,
no, no,
close it.
So we got
The
this
warranty card.
It's warranty.
Never mind. Okay, so wait, read it. Start pairing. Okay, so this is the LED light.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness gracious me. Boys, I think, and just a disclaimer, this is going to my brother, which I'm jealous about. Even though I got the iPhone SE, so I shouldn't be jealous.
Oh, they're bigger than I thought.
You mind if I put them in my ears?
No.
How's the weight like? Is it heavy or?
Which one, the earbuds or the case?
Yeah, but
Are they heavy?
because my
Not that heavy, but like
I never thought the case of Sony is this bulky.
because I wear these Bluetooth
Power
earphone when I actually run, and I was wondering how's
it's definitely not heavier
That
than.
looks substantial. That looks very big.
Like
and
bulky, big
it's
and
very bulky, and I don't
Compared
know
to the AirPods Pro.
how's the weight like? Is it, can you
It's
run with it or?
it's heavier than the AirPod Pro.
not waterproof though.
Yeah, it's heavier.
AirPod Pro's IPS4.
It's heavier than AirPod Pro, but not as heavy as Power Beats.
Got it.
So
Why do you have done
this is the case. The
That's
buds.
really bulky.
But I don't take out the buds. I don't want to mess them up. But I'll put.
You guys
Oh
can
yeah,
look,
guys.
You guys can look in there. That is so bulky. Like I could put my thumb in it. That's so bulky.
And then we have foam tips and rubber tips that I like.
So which are the foams and which are the rubbers? So I think these are your
rubbers.
over rubbers and these are your like kind of like
Foamy.
softy foamish things.
Charging.
Charging.
It's
that's
pretty
short.
small.
That's really short.
I know.
I'm a bit disappointed. I mean, from what I've heard,
It's a type. See, it's okay,
I
Dave.
know, but what I've heard from the new Sony noise cancelling headphones,
Is it too short?
I have high expectations of what the Sony can do. So far, I think they're doing good, but I'm kind of sad about the appearances about it.
There's Google Assistant and Alexa, but I'm gonna choose Google Assistant. So
You just said Alexa is better, sir.
whatever.
You mind if you put the earbuds in these cases and let's see a comparison? Just click, not click. Is right or what? Left. Which one's right? Oh, this one is right. This is oh, it clicks good. Like,
Oh. Magnetic?
okay, ready?
No, Apple's better.
I've got the AirPod Pro. Okay, so I love this copper finish. I personally think that this copper finish is nice.
I like
You
it.
agree? You
Yeah.
agree?
Yes, I agree.
I
I
think
agree.
Apple
It's
is.
really like a Sony.
Yeah, Sony's always fancy,
Colorish.
but like Sony and Samsung, but Apple, it's just black and white. I mean,
But you can go to colorware.
colorware is one of them we could do, but some people say it's not authorized for Apple stuff. But I think that Sony is so far winning, and you got the LED light, which is nice, so you know that's charging. Oh my God! Look at that! The LED light on the sides. Can you talk about what's in these?
The battery life with the charging case is 24 hours. And then for talking, it's, what was it?
What was it, David?
3.5, what was
Well,
it?
you have to. So with a 10-minute charge, you can do.
Bro, it's not the time to use AirPods.
Yeah.
Can you stop?
Focus on
Okay,
that.
so 10 minutes. 10-minute charge is 90 minutes, which I think I call it fast charge. I'm not sure if you guys can say that, but I don't care. That's my opinion. And so with the noise canceling on mode, you could have about 6 hours of playback time. With 8 hours, you have without noise canceling off. So in total, you have 32 hours of noise canceling off if you're like people like who don't need noise canceling. But I think I need noise canceling. And what I think I've done, I think Sony and Apple have done a great job of hitting their targets. So Apple's target was to make the AirPod Pro a better one of the AirPod. Sony is a newcomer to the earbud market, but I think they've made a great start, and I think they have a bright future in their head.
I don't know. I mean, Pro.
It's
So
boring.
Pro-
Apple's always like Pro, Max,
XS,
that's a bit annoying. Apple, you should change the name. Like Samsung is exactly the same thing, but
Adding a plus.
Ultra.
yeah, Samsung Plus, Note, Ultra, whatever, and it's just annoying.
The Sony is different.
Sony is really different.
Very
Look
different.
at that name. I can't even say it.
WF-1000 XM3.
And yeah, that's the difference. What I think is.
So what's the audience for Apple?
I feel like these. As these are like waterproof, I feel like these are more like
Sporty.
for casual sport, for casual and sport.
Simple
These,
work,
I feel like
work.
It's just like casualness. You can't do any work on it because according to Sony's website, if you have any outside anything, it's not waterproof. Therefore, you put water. Most likely, you're gonna get electric shock, and you can't have any out. You can't have anything in it which could destroy the chip in it. So yeah, I think Sony has kind of moved down from the price point because Apple is $250, Sony's is $230, and that's a $20 gap. And in my opinion, with that $20, they could have done something. Even if they make this longer, I'm a bit disappointed. Even though it's USB Type C, don't you
Guys, let's go flashback. If this was longer and this is $250, David would not like it. He's just thinking about the future. And if you go flashback, he's actually not gonna like it.
trash,
'cause-
guys.
Bro, I'm serious. You always do that. Okay, so
If you guys, I want to talk more about Sony. Is that okay?
yes.
Okay, so inside Sony's, I should say the new noise canceling earbuds, they have this QN1E chip. Basically means Sony's, it's like the A30 Bionic chip, but it's just used for like it's a noise cancellation, chip.
You don't need it.
Get these on.
Bro, wait, I need to look at the picture how you wear this. Okay, oh, like this.
What?
Google Assistant comes out straight away. Whoa, that's cool.
Okay, how do you feel, David?
Say something.
Hi, David. Alright.
You have your ear. Yeah.
I'm gonna change my thingy majiggy.
Can you like a shape this?
Just a bit big.
Okay, foam seems better right now.
Have you ever had a dream that want him to do you so much you could do anything.
Bro, I love this system. I love that transparency. I personally think that these would have more security in them, just because they're lighter than the earbuds on this. And I feel like I'm talking to myself because this is transparency mode. Oh my god! I'm not sure if I'm speaking too loud. This is so good.
Speaking so loud.
You are.
Oh, if I click these,
Bro,
I get
So excited! So excited!
real world. And if I click these,
how does it work when you're not even connected on?
no.
5 hours later.
When my dad gave me some Sony earphones, and he was like, these are damn noise canceling. I now know the definition of noise canceling. That ain't noise canceling, Dad. That ain't noise canceling.
That's manual noise cancelling.
You're like, yeah. So yeah, I think we have to wrap our video here. I think we've talked a lot. We've been talking for like more than 5 minutes. So yeah, hope you enjoyed our videos. Remember to subscribe and like our videos.